Kenny, mein Boy, alter Mann, du hast mich gerettet.
Close call back there.
Thanks for picking me up.
No problem. We have to take care of each other.
Yeah, we do.
Hey, about Clementine.
Yeah?
Earlier I said there's some stuff out there that might screw up a precious little girl like her.
You did.
Well, I still think that's true. But after what I saw today, I think between you taking care of her and her taking care of herself, you two are gonna be just fine.
Thanks, Kenny.
You got it.
Kenny ist Boss, Mann, das ist der geilste, den wir da haben. Er und seine Frau und sein Hurensohn und so. Nicht sein Hurensohn, sein Hurensohn.
I'm okay. You know, considering.
Look, den ist er.
I can't stop thinking about Doug. We couldn't have saved him, could we?
I don't think so. It happened pretty fast.
I know it's stupid. We just met. And he was such a... It's just that... I think that I liked him.
Er hat Rach gemacht, zu mir nicht.
Well, I'm sure he liked you too.
You better have. Anyway, I'd rather be alone, I think.
I understand.
Wait, Lee?
Hmm?
What
Yes?
How did you choose? We both needed you. You picked me.
Du hast Brüste. Ich wollte.
I was gonna help you both.
But you helped me first.
Ladies first.
I did.
I just wish we both could have made it, you know?
Me too, Carly.
Du kannst nicht viel machen. Du kannst nicht viel machen. Back auf den Ass und weiter geht's. So. Slow-mo. Slow-mo. Ja, lauf! Hi, nochmal. Ach, ich kann gar nicht durch. Du Siech! Lass meine Mädchen in Ruhe.
It's all like pow, pow, pow. I thought Super Dinosaur was
Derrick's.
toast. But you know what? He wasn't. Oh, and then...
Hey, Duck, you wanna cool it for a minute?
Okay, sorry.
I'm sorry, there's not a lot of kids here.
No, it's not that. It's... I got grabbed again.
I was there, though.
I fell, and my walkie-talkie broke. Glenn had the other one.
Oh, es tut mir leid, das ist ein Walkie-Talkie und das kann...
It's just a
Just
walkie-talkie. It probably wasn't much use to begin with.
It wasn't just a walkie-talkie. I know it doesn't make any sense, but it's how I used to talk to my mom and dad. And now they're gone. It's gone.
Maybe we can find you another one.
I'll just keep this one, I guess.
Lee, come here for a second.
Let me go deal with this.
Oh man, Clementine. Another thing.
Ah,
What do
das
you
wird...
want?
You like my daughter?
Sie ist cool, ist nicht weg.
really.
Good. Stay away from her. Or everyone here knows that Lee Everett is a killer. And I'm not talking about those things out there. You hear me? I asked you a question, boy. And again, I wouldn't expect a convicted murderer to listen to anything anybody's got to say.
Dich legt als nächstes
I
so
know
du Arsch
who
gesehen.
you are. And I don't give a shit about what happens to you. But if anything happens to my daughter or that little girl you've got with you, you watch your ass.
Hey, Lee, do you have a second?
Nein.
My dad would be dead if it weren't for you.
That guy Doug
Ja,
is
leider.
dead because of me.
You can't be like that. You're only one man.
I don't know.
We're lucky to have you.
I hope that's the sound of us winning this thing.
Me too.
This motor inn's pretty damn defendable. We block off the entrances with some cars, keep someone on watch. We could stay here until the military rolls through.
I actually agree with that plan.
Me too.
We got beds, we got water, and most importantly, we got light. There are worse places to call home.
Yeah, you're right. You know, guys, I think it's going to be okay.
Oh shit. Muss ja passieren, ja. Fortsetzung voll. Zum Glück kann ich alle Teile wie einem Sack packen. Nächstes Mal bei The Walking Dead. Ja, nicht spoilern. Hat nicht gesehen.
I thought we'd be fine if we survived the walkers. Never expected they'd starve us out.
I want you to have this, okay? In case you or Clementine starts feeling weak.
You don't owe me anything, Carly. How you doing, Clementine?
I'm really hungry, Lee.
We gotta get food, Lee. Soon.
Howdy, I'm Andrew St. John. We're from the St. John Dairy.
It's beautiful.
Don't repeat what happened with the walkers at Herschel's farm. You choose the kids this time.
Something's coming, Lee. There's gonna be a war.
The walkers don't worry me as much as the bandits.
Fuck with us! Now we're gonna take what we want! There's too many of them!
Ja, nö.
Never liked my dad. Even back at the drugstore whenever you thought Kenny's kid was bit, you went out of your way to side against him.
This isn't happening! No more, please! No more, please! Please, please!
What the fuck? Also. Ah, was ist da? Wenn ich etwas richtig gemacht habe. Aufrichtigkeit. Herschel angelogen. Du hast dann gesagt, das Spieler die Wahrheit gesagt. Yes! Wen würdest du retten? Doug oder Sean? Du findest den Spieler Sean gewählt. Oh. Loyalität auf Kennys Seite. Du noch mit dem Spieler Kenny verteidigt. Yes! Gnade. Irene die Waffe geben. Du und 55 der Spieler die Waffe nicht genommen. Wen würdest du retten? Doug oder Carly? Du und 6. bist der Spieler Carly gewählt. Das ist ja klar, dass sie eine Waffe hatte, der andere hat nichts gehabt. Ausser technisches Wissen, aber das kann man nicht gut brauchen. Muss ich das jetzt schauen? Ja, easy! Ja, dann wär's das gewesen mit Teil 1 von The Walking Dead. Spiele nie mehr über ein Dreckspiel, nein. Das war geil gewesen. Ja. Ich glaube, ich beende es da gerade. Sind 45 Minuten. Aus dem kann ich 5 Teile machen. Wenn ich je 9 Minuten nehme. Ja, mal schauen. Vielleicht mache ich ja länger, wer weiß. Aber auf jeden Fall merci fürs Schauen. Danke, dass ihr eingeschaltet habt. Vielleicht sind wir nächstes Mal wieder dabei, wenn es heisst The Walking Dead. Teil 2. Ich weiß nicht, wie viele Teile das hat. 4, 5. Ja, wir sehen es ja dann. Also bis dann. Tschüssi. Tschüssi.